today we're going to solve this problem here, okay? And to start, guys, let's say let's set the conditions here. This denominator has to be different from 0, right? So 3 minus x has to be different from 0, which means x has to be different from 3, and 2 minus x has to be different from 0, which means x has to be different from 2, and 1 minus x has to be different from 0, which means that x has to be different from 1, right? So now let's solve our equation, guys. To solve this equation, guys, I'm gonna use this property here, right? If you have a over b equals to c over d, this is same thing as a plus b divided by a minus b, which is going to be equals to c plus d over c minus d. Okay, we're going to use this identity because we have this sorry, we have these fractions here. Okay, so now to start to apply this property here, guys, I'm going to multiply these terms here, this denominator and this denominator, right? Let's do step by step here, guys. We don't want to skip nothing. We want everybody to understand. So this one here is going to be equals, let's multiply this one and this one. This is going to be 6, right, plus this one and this one. We're going to have 3x, and then we have 2x, and then this times this we have x squared, right? This will multiply, sorry, we have x squared, right, which multiplies 1 plus x. So from here we're gonna have then 6 plus 5x plus x squared, which multiplies 1 plus x, and this product here will be 6 plus 6x plus 5x plus 5x squared plus, sorry, this is 5x squared, and then plus x squared plus x to the 3. So this one here will bring us x to the 3, right? X to the 3 here plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. Okay, guys, and 3 minus x, which is the denominator, right? 2 minus x, 1 minus x. Solving this, guys, following the same steps here, we're gonna find something similar to this but symmetrical, right, in some terms. So this is going to, because we have negative here, negative here, negative here, we're gonna have minus x to the 3, right, plus 6x squared, right, minus 11x, and then plus 6. So this is what we have here. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Now we can write our equation as x to the 3 plus x squared, 6x squared plus 11x plus 6, and then this is divided by minus x to the 3 and minus x to the 3 minus 11 plus 6x, I mean plus 6x squared minus 11x plus 6, right? Okay, now this is equals to negative 35. Now let's apply this rule here that we said we were going to use, which is this one here, right? Okay, so now we're gonna have then the first one, which is a, right, plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6, and then we're gonna add the denominator, right? Let me change the color. We're gonna have then minus plus minus, right? Then we're gonna have minus x cubed, right, plus 6x squared, and then minus 11x, and then plus 6. Okay, now we're gonna divide this by, we're gonna keep this one, x to the 3 plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6, and then this one here minus the denominator here. So minus, right, let me change the color to yellow again. If we say minus this one here, so it means that we're gonna have this one will be positive plus x to the 3, right? This one will be negative minus x squared. This one will be positive plus 11x, and then this one will be negative minus 6. And then getting back to our color, we're gonna have then here we're gonna have minus 35. Okay, this time we're gonna say let me change the color here. We're gonna have plus, this is divided by 1, right? So plus 1 here, and then we're gonna have here divided by minus 35 minus 1. Okay, so now let's keep solving this equation here. So from here, guys, we're gonna simplify some terms here, right? 11 and 11, this is gonna be 0, and then we gonna have this one and this one 0. So as a result, we're gonna have this one plus this one. Okay, we're gonna have then 12x squared plus 6 it's 12. Okay, divided by, let's cancel some terms here. We're gonna have this one going with this one, we're gonna have this 6 going with this one, so we're gonna have then here we're gonna have 2x to the power of 3, right, plus 22x. okay, then this is gonna be equals minus 34 minus 36. We're gonna have then, this would be, guys, 34 divided by 36, dividing by 2, we're gonna have 17 divided by 18. So we're gonna have then here positive 17 divided by 18. Okay, cool. Well, from here, guys, we're gonna have then, simplifying this expression by 2 and this by 2, we're gonna have 2 which multiplies 6x squared plus 6 which divide x, 2x to the 3 plus 11, x equals 17 divided by 18. Okay, so now this one is going to be 1 dividing, this will go with this one, so we're going to have 6x squared plus 6 divided by x to the 3 plus 11x equals 17 divided by 18. So now let's make cross multiplication here. We're gonna have 18 which multiplies 6x squared, 6x squared plus 6, right, equals to 17 which multiplies x to the 3 plus 11x. So here we're gonna have 108x squared plus 108, and then this is equal 17x cubed plus this is going to be 187x. okay, so now let's send this one to the right side. We're going to have 17x to the 3 plus 187 minus 108x squared plus 187 7x, sorry, this number is plus 187x, and then minus 108, right, and then this is equal 0. So guys, by checking the factors of this number here, I found that x equals to 4 is a solution for this equation. So we can divide this equation by x minus 4 to find the product, right? And instead of doing this, I'm going to factor these terms here. Okay, you can make like long division to find it. It's also okay solving by long division, but I'm gonna factor this. We're gonna have then 17x to the 3, right, minus 108. I can write as 68x squared minus 40x squared, and 187, it's 160x plus 27x, right, and minus 108, which is 27, right, times 4, right, which is this one here, equals 0. So now I'm gonna factor these ones here. Okay, so from this factoring, we're gonna have then this one divided by 17 we're gonna have then 17, right, which will multiply actually 17x squared, which multiply x minus 4, okay, and here we're gonna have minus 40, which multiplies 40x, right, 40x here, which multiplies x minus 4, right, and then plus 27, which multiplies x minus 4 equals 0. And then we're gonna have now we have a common term here, right, this one here, right, so we can factor this, which is x minus 4, which multiplies then 17x squared minus 40x plus 27, and then this is equal 0. Okay, perfect. We have then that x minus 4 is equal 0, and 17x squared minus 40x plus 27 is equal 0. So from here we have our x1 equals to 4. Okay, our solution. And solving this, guys, we're gonna have delta less than 0, right? We have our delta less than 0. We're gonna have imaginary solutions here. And solving this quadratic equation for the imaginary solution, guys, I'm just going to set the equation, the solutions, right, to save some time here. So solving this, guys, we're gonna have x2 and 3 equals to we're gonna have here, this is gonna be 20 plus or minus square root of 59i all divided by 17. Okay, guys, which is, well, these are our solution, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and try not to skip the videos because it's not good for the performance of the channel. And tell me in the comment what you think about these solutions, this technique, and see you next video. Bye bye. And we could check our answer if we want, right, guys? So maybe we're gonna make in a similar problem next video. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.